got money on my mind, nowhere else though. All I got is time for myself, so